In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to stop flash messages in your Android phone. I'm going to show you two methods, so I want you to watch my video completely till the end. The first method is very easy. All you have to do is look for the SIM toolkit on your phone. So once you have your phone, just get to the menu and search for SIM toolkit. Okay. Click on that option and you need to select the network that you are getting these flash messages from. So if you have a dual SIM phone, I'm sure you're going to see two network names out here for your SIM. So for instance, if I want to put that off for Airtel, if I'm getting these flash messages from Airtel, I select that, and out here you are going to either see an option called Airtel Now or Flash or whatever it is. You select that option and turn it off. If you want to do it for both the SIM cards, do the same thing for both the SIM cards. The second method is to directly send a SMS command like can flash to 199 for Airtel or Y. So just open your messaging app and create a new conversation and then just type in 199, select your SIM, okay, and then you just put in a text CAN in higher cases, flash, and just send it. Okay, it is going to stop the flash messages coming in on your phone. If you want to do it for the other SIM card also on your phone, send an SMS from the other SIM card. And after you have tried both these two options and still the flash messages are showing up, there is another option. Completely change your default SMS app. So normally it is the Android app by default. You could change it to Truecaller to bypass these annoying flash messages. Okay, just download Truecaller from the Play Store and you could set that up as the default SMS app by getting to your message settings. I hope this helps and you got some value through my video for today. If you did, give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.